In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a GoDaddy website builder website if you want to take your site offline temporarily or stop it from being publicly visible. GoDaddy makes that process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click so you can unpublish your website with confidence. This is useful if you're updating your content, redesigning your site, or simply no longer want visitors to access it online for the time being. To begin, go ahead and open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the website you want to manage. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually located in the upper part of the screen, and it gives you access to your account options and product settings. From your profile, click on My Products. This section shows all the services and tools connected to your GoDaddy account, including domains, hosting, and website builder projects. Take a moment here to find the specific website you want to disconnect or remove from public view, especially if you have more than one product listed. Once you've located the correct website, select it and click Edit Website. This will open the Website Builder dashboard, where you can manage your site's content, design, and publishing settings. Be sure you're working on the right website before making any changes, since this action affects whether people can visit the site online. After the editor opens, look for the Settings option. This is where GoDaddy keeps important controls related to your website's visibility and general configuration. Click into Settings and then find the option to unpublish the website. When you click Unpublish, your website will no longer be live on the internet. That means visitors won't be able to access the public version of the site until you publish it again. This is a helpful option if you're not ready to permanently delete anything and just want to take the website offline without losing your work. And that's it. That's how to disconnect a GoDaddy website builder website by unpublishing it. If you need the site again later, you can simply return to the editor and publish it whenever you're ready. Just make sure to review your settings and confirm the change so everything updates properly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly manage your GoDaddy website.